One of our biggest challenges is pepper is very expensive to grow. If you grow it in a place, sometimes it can even die, just like this place. 2 acres and they all died off. And now you see the other part where chili is. I'm always having workers in the garden weeding the whole area. The other thing is you can grow pepper. By the time pepper is ready for harvest, the demand for pepper is not big, yet your harvest is plenty. And by the time there is scarcity in the market and now the prices are high for pepper, at that time you do not have pepper because you sold at the low price, and now you do not have any pepper to sell when the prices are high. That's another challenge we face. Now you see chili, previously 1 kilogram was being sold at 5,000, but as I'm speaking right now, 1 kilo is sold at 2,000. Now when it comes to hot pepper, right now a box is being sold at 40,000, which means each kilo is at 10,000. That is for the company where I deliver. That's the price rate currently. But when the produces are huge, then they will reduce the prices, and now they will start buying 8,000 per kilogram. For those of you who count in dollars, when it comes to Ugandan shillings, $1 is equivalent to 3,600 Ugandan shillings.